This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
To start, meticulously check all your microphone's physical connections. Ensure they are firmly seated and not loose. Confirm your headset's 3.5mm jack is fully inserted into your controller or adapter. Sometimes, simply trying a different USB port on your PlayStation 5 or even a second controller can resolve connection issues, indicating a faulty port. Make sure your microphone is not physically damaged before proceeding. Next, let's dive into your PlayStation 5 system settings. Go to the sound menu and then select microphone. Here, you can carefully adjust your microphone's input level. Aim for a setting that registers your voice clearly without peaking into the red. Also, try reducing the side tone level, which can significantly cut down on feedback and unwanted static in your audio. These small adjustments often make a big difference. Software often plays a crucial role in audio performance. Always ensure your PlayStation 5 system software is running the latest version, as updates frequently include bug fixes. Similarly, check your headset manufacturer's website for any firmware updates that might address static issues. A simple restart of your console can often clear temporary glitches. For deeper resets, try a power cycle. Unplug your console for about 60 seconds before plugging it back in. Carefully inspect your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.